Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unblock PlayStation on Cash App. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the example steps. So basically, there are two things to verify. If you have blocked by mistake the PlayStation transaction, you won't be able to start having any transaction to PlayStation. And basically that done by going to your tab activity. So if you go here to this tab here, you will be able to see all your transactions. And basically, after that, you will find your list of transaction here, and then you can click on any transaction, and then you will find at the center here the profile of the transaction or the profile of the person that you have transacted with. And basically then you can block or unblock people from there. If you click on the profile, you will have a menu that will pop up, and from there you will be able to unblock or block this person. So basically, if you have blocked PlayStation by mistake, you will need just to unblock it so you can start having your purchases. And as you can see, you can have freely have some purchase using the Cash App card within PlayStation. So basically, you might only have some problems within the PlayStation Plus or the subscriptions, but you will be able to start buying your games, etc., and you will have transactions that will be successful. And as you can see here, there are some troubleshooting that you might try and that might work or not, depends on the case. And as you can see, the problem for to buy subscription of PlayStation, you might just want to add more money or more funds to your wallet, and then you will start purchasing stuff with it. And basically by that, you will be able to start solving this problem and you will be able to unblock your PlayStation on Cash App. So thank you for watching and see you next time.